Which type of foundation is most susceptible to frost heave in cold climates? A. Slab on grade. B. Crawl space. C. Pier and beam. D. Basement. Answer, A. Slab-on-grade foundations are directly on the ground surface and can heave when soil freezes and expands, especially if not properly insulated or constructed below frost line depth. What is the primary safety reason for installing a handrail on stairs with more than 3 risers? A. To meet energy efficiency standards. B. To prevent tripping hazards. C. To provide support and prevent falls. D. To reduce noise from foot traffic. Answer, C. Handrails provide essential stability and safety, reducing the likelihood of falls, which is particularly important on stairs with multiple risers. Which roofing material typically has the shortest expected lifespan? A. Slate. B. Metal. C. Asphalt shingles. D. Clay tile. Answer, C. Asphalt shingles often last around 15 to 30 years, whereas materials like slate, tile, and metal can last decades longer when properly maintained. In electrical systems, what is the purpose of a GFCI outlet? A. Prevent electrical fires by detecting heat. B. Protect against shock from ground faults. C. Increase voltage efficiency. D. Detect circuit overloading. Answer, B. Ground fault circuit interrupters shut off power if they detect a current difference between hot and neutral, protecting people from electric shock hazards. Which of the following signs most likely indicates active termite infestation? A. Paint discoloration. B. Mud tubes on foundation walls. C. Rusted plumbing pipes. D. Curling shingles. Answer, B. Subterranean termites build mud tubes to travel between soil and wood, providing a reliable indication of active infestation. Which plumbing component prevents sewer gases from entering the home? A. Check valve. B. Air admittance valve. C. P-trap. D. Expansion tank. Answer, C. P-traps hold water that creates a seal, blocking sewer gases from traveling back into living spaces through fixtures. What is the recommended slope for gutters to ensure proper drainage toward downspouts? A. 1/8 inch per foot. B. 1/4 inch per foot. C. 1/2 inch per foot. D. 1 inch per foot. Answer, B. A slope of about 1/4 inch per foot is typically recommended to allow water to flow efficiently without pooling. Which HVAC issue is most often caused by a clogged air filter? A. Frozen evaporator coils. B. Refrigerant leaks. C. Short cycling. D. Blower motor failure. Answer, A. Restricted airflow from clogged filters can cause coils to drop below freezing temperatures, leading to ice buildup. In modern construction, which framing member carries the load above a door or window opening? A. Sill plate. B. Stud. C. Header. D. Joist. Answer, C. Headers are horizontal beams above openings that transfer the load from above to the studs on either side. Which material is most fire-resistant for siding applications? A. Vinyl. B. Aluminum. C. Fiber cement. D. Wood. Answer, C. Fiber cement siding is highly resistant to fire, pests, and weather, making it a durable and safe choice. Which condition is considered a major safety defect during an inspection? A. Loose doorknob. B. Missing smoke detector. C. Peeling exterior paint. D. Small drywall crack. Answer, B. Missing smoke detectors pose an immediate life safety hazard and must be addressed promptly. When inspecting a chimney, which finding may indicate a risk of carbon monoxide leakage? A. Missing flue liner. B. Efflorescence on bricks. C. Moss growth. D. Loose chimney cap. Answer, A. A missing or damaged flue liner can allow harmful gases, including CO, to enter the home rather than venting outside. Which type of insulation offers the highest R value per inch? A. Fiberglass batts. B. Spray foam, closed cell. C. Cellulose. D. Rock wool. Answer, B. Closed cell spray foam has an R value of about 6 to 7 per inch, providing superior thermal resistance. What is the main function of a sump pump? A. Reduce water heater pressure. B. Control humidity levels. C. Prevent plumbing leaks. D. Remove groundwater from a basement. Answer, D. Sump pumps collect and remove groundwater to prevent flooding and water damage in basements or crawl spaces. A double-tapped breaker is a safety concern because A. It increases voltage output. B. It can cause overheating and arcing. C. It reduces amperage to appliances. D. It bypasses the main breaker. Answer, B. Connecting two wires to a breaker not designed for it can cause loose connections, overheating, and arcing, posing fire risks. Which roofing sign indicates poor attic ventilation? A. Curling shingles. B. Even granule wear. C. Uniform shingle color. D. Tight flashing. Answer, A. Curling shingles often result from trapped heat and moisture due to insufficient attic ventilation. Which test is most effective for detecting hidden water leaks in walls? A. Infrared thermography. B. Moisture meter only. C. Tap test. D. Sound test. Answer, A. Infrared cameras can detect temperature differences indicating moisture intrusion behind walls without invasive inspection. Which gas is colorless, odorless, and can be deadly if it accumulates indoors? A. Methane. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Ozone. D. Radon. Answer, B. Carbon monoxide is a byproduct of incomplete combustion and can cause serious illness or death at high concentrations. Which structural issue often results from expansive clay soils? A. Roof sagging. B. Chimney cap displacement. C. Door hinge rust. D. Foundation cracking. Answer, D. Expansive clay soils swell when wet and shrink when dry, exerting pressure that can crack foundations. What is the primary purpose of a backflow preventer? A. Increase water pressure. B. Stop reverse flow of contaminated water. C. Allow hot water recirculation. D. Reduce water hammer. Answer, B. Backflow preventers protect potable water supplies from contamination by preventing reverse flow into clean lines. Which roofing condition most commonly causes interior ceiling stains? A. Loose flashing. B. High attic humidity. C. Missing drip edge. D. Short ridge vent. Answer, A. Loose or damaged flashing allows water to seep into the roof structure, often causing visible stains on ceilings. What is the standard tread depth for residential stairs in most codes? A. 8 inches. B. 9 inches. C. 10 inches. D. 11 inches. Answer, D. Most building codes require stair treads to be around 11 inches deep to provide safe footing. A tripped AFCI breaker is most likely caused by A. Refrigerant leak. B. Damaged electrical wiring. C. Water pressure drop. D. Window air leaks. Answer, B. Arc fault circuit interrupters detect dangerous arcing from damaged or deteriorated wiring and shut off power. Which exterior defect can lead to basement flooding during heavy rain? A. Overhanging trees. B. Damaged shutters. C. Loose siding panels. D. Negative grading toward foundation. Answer, D. Negative grading allows water to flow toward the home instead of away, increasing flooding risk. What is the primary hazard of knob and tube wiring? A. High voltage spikes. B. No grounding conductor. C. Unstable frequency output. D. Excessive amperage capacity. Answer, B. Knob and tube lacks a ground wire, increasing shock and fire hazards in modern usage.